Good morning, students. Today we will discuss nomenclature of organic compounds. Means how are the organic compounds named. In this we will discuss today functional groups. Now, what is a functional group? A functional group may be a double bond or maybe a triple bond or an atom or group of atoms which is attached to the hydrocarbon chain or hydrocarbon ring, and it drives all the properties of the compound. Means it controls all the properties of compound. That is called a functional group. In this, double bond and triple bonds we have discussed in the previous session. Today we will discuss atoms or group of atoms which attach to the hydrocarbon chain or ring and control the properties. First of all, we will discuss halogens. Halogens may be denoted by X, where X may be fluorine or chlorine or bromine or iodine, any halogen, 17 group elements. For mono halo compounds, the general formula is Rx, where R is any alkyl group, that is CnH2n plus 1. When one hydrogen is removed from any alkane, we get alkyl group. For example, you all know that CH4 is methane. CH4 is methane. If one hydrogen is removed from CH4, we will get CH3, which is called methyl. Okay, in the same way, one hydrogen is removed from an alkane, it will be called alkyl, methyl, ethyl, propyl, etc. As you can see, there is one carbon, 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 3, CH3. Okay, now examples. CH3F. Okay, now how are they named? In IUPAC system, they are named as haloalkanes. Halo means halogen, fluoro, chloro, bromo or iodo, and alkane according to the number of carbon atoms in the compound. So here we have CH3F. Always remember that halogens are always used in prefix. Halogens are always used in prefix. They are never used in suffix. So this halogen will be written in prefix. Here fluorine is here. For fluorine we will write fluoro. And how many carbon atoms are there? One carbon atom, means methane. So the IUPAC name of this compound is fluoromethane. fluoromethane. Okay. C2H5Cl, or I can write it in this way also, CH3 CH2Cl. Both are same, only the way of writing is different, but they are same. Halogen chlorine means chloro. And what is alk? 2. For 2 we use 8. So ethane, chloroethane. Okay. In the same way, iodomethane or iodoethane, bromomethane or bromoethane we can name. Now it is not necessary that halogen will always attach in the terminal, at the terminal. This is also possible. This is also possible. Now here we have to indicate the position of the substituent or this functional group. Here we will number this chain from here. The numbering will be done from the side where the halogen is closer. Okay, so this will be named as 1 bromopropane. 1 bromopropane, and this will be named as 2 bromopropane. 1 bromopropane and 2 bromopropane. Okay. Now we will discuss if more than one halogens are present in one compound, and also we will discuss their common names. In common system, they are named as alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. For example, the first example was this. In IUPAC system it is fluoromethane. In common system this one is methyl fluoride. Methyl fluoride. C2H5Cl. IUPAC name chloroethane. Common name ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. Okay. In this way they are named. Now we will discuss two halogens are attached in a compound. Now here the structure of this compound will be this. We have 2 hydrogens and 2 halogens, which is chlorine. So it will be named as Dichloromethane. 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 Because we have only one carbon, so we do not need to indicate the number. But if there are two carbons, for example, for dichloroethane we have two options. We have this option that both halogens are attached to the same carbon. We have this option also. Both are attached with different atoms. Here we will name one dichloroethane, and this will be named as 1,2 dichloroethane. 1,1 dichloroethane, 1,2 dichloroethane. Okay. One more thing, in common system, these type of dihalides in which both halogens are attached to the same carbon atom are called jam dihalides. Jam dihalides. If both the halogens are attached to the adjacent carbon atoms, adjacent, then they will be called vis dihalides. Full form geminal, vicinal dihalides. And this is vicinal dihalide, but if two halogens are attached, one each at each terminal, one at this terminal, one at this terminal, then it will be called alpha omega dihalide. Alpha omega dihalide. These are the categories in common system. In IUPAC, this will be named as 1,2 dibromopropane. This will be called 1,3 dibromopropane. Okay. I hope this one is clear. There may be one more possibility, that along with halogen, any alkyl group is also present as substituent. Now, how will we name this compound? Both this methyl group and this bromine will go in prefix. So we will select in alphabetical order. We will write in alphabetical order. We will number this chain from right to left. Right to left. So it will be 1 bromo, 2 methyl, 1 bromo, 2 methyl propane. Okay. Now what if more than one halogens, means more than one type of halogens are present? Say here I am using I Cl Br F. Now this one is the compound. Now we will write these halogens in the alphabetical order. Same rule, if more than one substituents are present, then they are always written in alphabetical order. Now what will be the alphabetical order? This Br will come first, then chlorine, then fluorine, and then iodine. BCFI. Okay, so from which side this bromine can be given the smallest number? From this side. So we will number this chain from right terminal to left terminal. So it will be 3 bromo, then chlorine, 4 chloro, then F, one fluoro, 6 iodohexane, 3 bromo, 4 chloro, 1 fluoro, 6 iodohexane. Okay. Now we are coming to the next group, which is alcohols, in which we use OH. If OH group is attached to the hydrocarbon ring or chain, it will be called alcohol. This group is called alcohol. They are named as number of carbon atoms. According to that, alkane, E will be removed, and OL as suffix. Alkane में से E is subtracted and OL will be added as suffix. So it will become alkanol. Okay, got it? First member CH3OH. What will be the UPSC name? Alk, meth, so methanol. Methanol. Okay, in common system they are named as alkyl alcohol. Alkyl alcohol. So it will be, the common name will be methyl methyl alcohol. Ethanol in IUPAC system. Ethyl alcohol in common system. If two hydroxyl groups are attached, always remember that two hydroxyl group cannot be present on same carbon, because hydroxyl groups are highly electronegative. They will repel each other and the molecule will become unstable. That's why hydroxyl groups cannot be attached to the same carbon. They will be attached to the different carbon atoms. In IUPAC system, ethane 1,2 diol. Two hydroxyl groups are there, that's why diol. Okay, and we have mentioned the number also. And in common system, these type of compounds are called glycols, in which two hydroxyl groups are attached to the adjacent carbon atoms. They are called glycols. So this will be called ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. Okay. Now just check this compound. Here at this terminal carbon, chlorine is attached, and to the next carbon, hydroxyl group is attached. Now you know that chlorine is used in prefix, means it is less prior or less dominant, and hydroxyl is used in suffix. That's why hydroxyl is more dominant than chlorine. So it will go in prefix, and the compound will be named according to this hydroxyl group, means it will be named as 1-chloro butane 2-ol. 1-chloro butane 2-ol. But in this case, the chain will be numbered from this side, because this is the main functional group. Hydroxyl group is the main functional group. So we will give the smaller number possible to the hydroxyl group. So it will be numbered from left to right, and the name will become 4-chloro-butane 2-ol. 4-chloro-butane 2-ol. Okay. If any alkyl group is also there, we will number from this side, because this hydroxyl group is attached to the right terminal. What will the name? 3-methyl 3-methyl butane 1 all, 3-methyl butane 1 all. Okay. Three hydroxyl groups are there. Numbering will be done from this terminal. It will be named as hexane 2 3 4 triol. For 3 we use tri. So 1 2 3 2 3 4 triol. Hexane 2 3 4 triol. Always remember when we use the number indicating alpha digits, then if after the numbers we have consonant, then we have to apply E here. Otherwise E will be removed. If I want to write now, here vowel is there, so I have not written E. Here the first letter is consonant, so I have written E here. Okay. Next group is ether, oxygen, and this oxygen is attached with two alkyl groups. These two alkyl groups may be similar, may be different. Okay. Now the IUPAC name will be alkoxyalkane. Alkoxyalkane. The smaller alkyl group will be named as alkoxy and the larger alkyl group will be named as alkane. If both groups are same, then anyone can be written in alkoxy and alkane. Okay. And in common system they are named as alkyl ether according to alphabetical order. In IUPAC system according to smaller and larger groups, in common system in alphabetical order. The first member of this group will be CH3O CH3. Now both groups are same. These type of ethers are called symmetric ethers. Symmetric ethers. So any group can be taken in alkoxy and any group in alkane, so it will be named as methoxymethane. Methoxymethane. In common system, if both the alkyl groups are same, then we will not write separately, we will write dialkyl, means here dimethyl ether. But if the groups attached are different, This will be written in this form also. These are same. Both these are same. Now one group is methyl, one is ethyl. This is the smaller group. It will be given oxygen. जो गरीब है उसको ऑक्सीजन दो, जो पैसे वाला है उसको नाम दो. ठीक है. मिथॉक्सी ethane, methoxy ethane, and in common system Me. What comes first? E. So ethyl, methyl, ether. Okay, I hope this topic is clear, and I hope today's session was useful for you, beneficial for you. This is all for today. Have a nice day.